Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in again. As you can see by the video, we have got a whole bunch of products here from Avalon Kings. So shout out to these guys. They sent this all out. They were the ones that also sent out ceramic coating for the truck. So if you want to see that video, go back and check out just how well their products work. I've worked with these guys in the past as well, and I can tell you their products last a long time, and they go on super easy. You will not have any disappointments. But as you can see here, they've sent us a bunch of different detailing products. So basically, what they have now is you can ceramic coat your whatever you're doing, your car, your truck, your boat, whatever the case may be. Ceramic coat it with their product, and then they've got all this stuff now to keep your car shining and the ceramic coating working as it should. So I'm going to go over each one and show you what it is, because not only is it the coolest bottles that you can get for detailing products out there, but it also works really well. So in this video, I'm going to go over what each one is and when you would use it. And then I'm going to do a separate video on each one, actually putting it to the test. We're going to test it out. I don't want to do it on my Frontier because, like I said, it's freshly ceramic coated. So this is made for that, but I want to give it a better test on something that's ceramic coated a few years ago. And if I can find one of my friend's vehicles that doesn't have anything on it, we'll try this stuff out as well, because this enhances if you have ceramic coating already, but even if you don't, it's going to give you some of those characteristics as if it was. So let's get at it, and I'll show you what each one of these bottles is. All right, so what we're going to start with is what they call the Sadistic Suds. This is a mega foaming shampoo. 16-ounce bottle is what you get. Comes with your little pop top up on the top here, so you can squirt it into your bucket. Nice and solid. You don't have to worry about it popping open or leaking or anything. This is open underneath, nothing drips out. The bottles are really well made. You're not going to lose a bunch in the bucket or wherever you hold these things while you're not using them. But this is a mega foam. Basically, just like every other foam, put this in your, well, one, you can put it in a bucket and foam it up in there. Or if you have a foam cannon, put a little bit in there and you can soap up the entire car, and it's going to be super foamy. You'll see that when we test this out. And it's made to stick to the vehicle very well. So some of these soaps, when you spray it on the car, yes, it'll foam up, but once it hits it, ceramic coated or not, it just kind of turns back into water and falls off. This stuff will not do this. This is going to stay sudsed up and stick to the vehicle, no problem. The next up, we have what they call their Shockwave. It's their Hydra Shield maintenance shampoo. So this is basically a soap made for if your car's already ceramic coated and maybe not super dirty. And again, the bottle is crazy. This is something you could put on your shelf after this thing's even empty. But again, this goes on the vehicle after it's ceramic coated. It's not quite as harsh as the Mega Foam. It won't foam up the same. You will get some foam in action in the bucket still, but it won't turn into a Mega Foam like the other one. But what this is, I would use this more for if your vehicle is not extremely dirty. You can use this and it's going to not only take off the dirt, but it'll boost your ceramic coating or graphene coating, whatever you have on the truck. It'll boost it, make it a little slicker again, and the water will bead off just as if you just ceramic coated your car. So again, with the maintenance shampoo, not made for extremely dirty situations, but if you're a garage queen, maybe you got a really nice car ceramic coated that only comes out for Sunday dries and some car shows, this is definitely the stuff for you. And next up, we have the Rim Reaper. So you can see another sweet bottle here. What this is, just like it says, wheel and tire cleaner. So when you're washing your car, you've got everything ready to go. Of course, you got to make the wheels look just as good as the paint. So this will work on your rims and your tires. So spray it all down. One thing to note, these bottles actually have the nice big handle. It's not the little thing you got to kind of squirt with one finger. This is like a full-size squirt bottle on the top. So again, all you'll have to do, soak down your wheels with this, get a little brush. You can scrape the rubber down. It'll get all that brown and gross looking crap off of there. Give it the shine. Get everything cleaned up. Same with the rims. Get a little detailing brush or a mitt, whatever you got to do. Rub it all down. This will take care of the brake dust and all the grime. Make them look like new. Hose it down and you should be back to the day you bought your wheels. And then next up, after you've got your wheel and tire clean, you can use what they call their Graphine tire dressing. This is my favorite bottle, reminds me of X-Men, but you can use this and basically clean the tire with the other stuff, get it nice and shiny, dry it all up, and then you spray this on. And you can either spray it right onto the tire. What I do, get a little foam pad. You can find them anywhere. Amazon has them. Most little hardware stores even have them. Get a little foam applicator pad, spray it on there, and then wipe around the tires. And this will keep it looking fresh, looking new. And because it's a graphene tire dressing, it's going to give you a little bit of those ceramic coating properties to it as well, even if your tires or your wheels are not ceramic coated. You're going to get that shine and you're going to get that quality that Avalon King has. Now next up is their Psycho Ceramic Detailing Spray. Now what this is, they have two different versions. You'll see the other one in a sec. This is their ceramic detailing spray. What you want to do with this stuff is it's not to wash your car. It's not to wipe dirt onto your car. It's not to wipe dirt off of your car. What this is to get light dust or fingerprints or whatever, something very small and light off your paint. So say you washed your car, you come here, you park it in the garage, my kids come out and they put their handprint on the side of my freshly washed car. You're gonna see a handprint. You don't wanna back out, rewash the whole vehicle. You can get this stuff, squirt it on, wipe it off, and it's gonna take everything off the paint, plus give you that ceramic shine with it, as well as a little bit more ceramic coating properties with it as well. So one, you can do it in that case, or two, again, if you have a car that maybe just sits in the garage, you can take this, spray down the whole car and wipe it down. It's gonna give you that nice shine. It's gonna give you some beading properties like their ceramic coating does. And again, if you don't have ceramic coating on your car and you want to use this as a detail spray, it'll also give you a little bit, not as good as if you have a real ceramic coating, but it's going to act as if you have maybe a weaker version of ceramic coating on. It won't last as long, but it's still going to give you those properties whether you have it on there or not. And then last but not least, you can see the other version of their detail spray. This is Psycho Pro Graphene Detail Spray. So there's a little bit of a difference between ceramic coating and graphene coating. That's a whole other video. But basically, graphene coating is ceramic on a little bit of steroids. So if you have your vehicle graphene coated instead of ceramic coating, this will do the same thing as a ceramic coating. You can detail, it's a detail spray. So of course, you're not going to be going out on a muddy car and hosing it down with this and wiping it, because you are going to scratch your vehicle. But light dust, fingerprints, anything like that, take this, spray it down. It's going to boost the graphene coating on your car already, bring it back to the original properties that it was doing. Or if you have nothing on your car, you can hit it with this, wipe it down, same as the detailing any other car, and it's going to give you a little bit of that graphene properties to it. So it'll beat up the water, the dirt won't stick as well, it'll be easier to wash. And keep in mind, I didn't mention this with a ceramic detailing spray, you can actually do this while the car is wet. So if you're gonna bring it in the garage like this and dry it off, you can squirt this down with everything, take your towel, and as you wipe it, it'll dry and you're gonna get the graphene detailing spray mixed in, and it's just gonna boost everything. You're gonna get more shine, you're gonna get more water beading, and again, it'll be super easy to clean and super easy to maintain from days on after you've got it graphene coated. So there you have it, guys. That's the whole new lineup from Avalon King. Again, if you want to see all these in action, make sure to like and subscribe, because we're going to test them all out separately. I'll give you a real life review. We're not paid by these guys. They just send it out and say, hey, give it a test. And you know it's good, because most companies, if their stuff doesn't actually work, they're not going to tell you that. So these guys say, here you go, have at it, do a video, show everyone how well it works. And I can tell you, if this works anything like their other products they've sent out in the past, we're going to have no problems with it, and it's going to work just as awesome as the bottles look. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video, and stay tuned for the big test on all the new products.